Take a look at the 5 closest friends in your life right now. The people in your group chat. The ones you grab drinks with on Friday, or DoorDash food with while playing video games. One of them is quietly leaking your net worth every single day. And the worst part is that you are letting them do it. We have all heard the cliché phrase that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. But right now, that rule has turned dangerous. The average American consumer is buried under record-high credit card debt, and the national personal savings rate has plummeted to a staggering 3%. If you are the average of a group that is financially suffocating, you are on a fast track to going broke with them. This is not about cutting off your childhood friends or becoming a lonely hermit. It is about uncovering the invisible psychological traps, social taxes, and subtle sabotage your circle uses to keep you anchored to the middle class. By the end of this video, you will know the exact mathematical cost of your friend group, the hidden text message phrase that proves someone is dragging you down, and a step-by-step blueprint to upgrade your network without looking like an arrogant outcast. But before we can fix your circle, we have to look at the terrifying biological glitch in your brain that your friends are exploiting without even knowing it. Inside your brain is a cluster of cells called mirror neurons. They are designed by nature to make you fit in. Millions of years ago, fitting in with the tribe kept you safe from predators. Today, fitting in with the tribe will keep you trapped in a 9-to-5 until you are 70. It is a phenomenon psychologists call lifestyle mimicry. When you hang out with people who treat credit card limits like extra income, your brain normalizes the behavior. You do not see the danger anymore. Total U.S. credit card debt has crossed an eye-watering $1.25 trillion, and the average interest rate on accounts that carry a balance is sitting at over 22%. Yet, when your buddy pulls out a premium metal card to pay for a high-end dinner he cannot actually afford, you do not think about his poor risk management. Your brain simply thinks that you need to be on that exact same level. This creates an invisible upgrade where you start matching their expensive rideshare choices, going to the same mid-tier luxury weekend trips to Scottsdale or Vegas, and buying the same tech upgrades. You are not trying to outdo them, you are subconsciously paying a premium just to maintain parity with your group chat. This is not even the most dangerous part of the equation. The real threat is not when your friends spend money, it is what happens psychologically the exact moment you try to stop spending and start building a real wealth asset. When you put a single crab in a bucket, it can easily climb out on its own. But if you put a handful of crabs in a bucket, the moment one tries to escape, the others reach up and violently drag it back down. This is the crab mentality trap, and it defines the modern American middle class. When you decide to break the mold, whether that means skipping a $100 night out to work on a side hustle, using modern digital tools to build an online business, or allocating cash into your investment portfolio instead of a new car lease, you hold up a mirror to your friends. Your progress forces them to look at their own financial stagnation, and humans naturally hate feeling left behind. Because of this, the subtle sabotage begins. It rarely comes as direct hostility, but rather as casual humor or passive-aggressive concern. They tell you that you only live once, or they ask why you are becoming a workaholic who does not understand balance. These tiny comments are designed to trigger your social anxiety, and pull you back into the bucket, because your presence in the struggle comfort zone makes them feel safe. Let us move past the psychology and talk about the cold, hard numbers because your social circle is actively costing you thousands of dollars in a hidden financial penalty. If we calculate your annual social tax, which is the literal price tag of maintaining a financially unoptimized friendship group, the numbers are shocking. Let us look at a typical year for an average American professional. First, you have the weekend brunches and dinners, tapping out around $100 twice a week on food and drinks, just to sit around and talk about the same old drama, which adds up to over $5,200 a year. Then come the shared group trips, including airfare, shared house rentals, and splitting dinner checks evenly even though you only ordered an appetizer, costing another $4,500. Finally, add the obligatory events like bachelor parties, weddings, and birthday gifts, which easily take another $3,000. That brings the baseline social tax to $12,700 every single year. If you took that exact money and channeled it into a standard investment index, Compounding at a conservative 8% annual return over a decade, that social circle is actually costing you roughly $184,000 in lost opportunity wealth. You are literally paying a six-figure tax to stay broke. To build real wealth, you must run a cold, objective audit on your network. Everyone in your life falls into one of three distinct categories. First, you have the drainers. These are the friends who are actively financially toxic, complaining about being broke, but spending every weekend at music festivals or clubs, while viewing debt as a normal lifestyle tool. They encourage you to blow money recklessly and act as financial black holes. Second, you have the anchors. These people are not toxic, they love you, and they might even be your family or childhood friends, but they have zero financial ambition. They want to work their standard job, watch television, complain about the economy, and repeat that loop for 40 years. Their comfort zone keeps you heavy. Third, you have the accelerators. These are the rare individuals talking about scale, digital leverage, tax strategies, and investments. When you tell them you want to make $50,000 a month, they do not laugh at you, they ask what kind of system you are building to achieve it. Pay close attention to your text threads tonight. If your friends use the phrase, "must be nice," when you share a win, or tell you not to work too hard when you talk about your goals, you have an anchor or a drainer on your hands. Escaping a broke social circle does not mean you send a dramatic text message cutting everyone off. True wealth builders use a highly strategic, professional approach. First, you implement financial boundaries. The next time a drainer invites you out to a pricey venue, you do not make up an excuse, you tell the absolute truth by stating that you are being aggressive with your financial goals this quarter, so you are skipping those types of outings, but would love to hit the gym or grab a coffee on Sunday instead. This filters people instantly, because real friends will respect your boundaries, while fake friends who just wanted a spending buddy will stop texting you. Second, you must look for asymmetric circles. You do not need to be rich to sit in rooms with wealthy people anymore. High-value circles are formed online through professional digital marketing communities, real estate meetups, and niche industry groups. When you join a community where the baseline expectation is building a seven-figure business, your mirror neurons start working for you instead of against you, and spending weekends optimizing automated lead generation pipelines becomes normal behavior. Your network is your financial thermostat. If you leave it set to the average temperature of a broken, consumer-driven society, you will spend your entire life wondering why you can never get ahead despite working so hard. It is time to change the settings. Protect your space, establish your boundaries, and actively seek out people who make your current biggest dreams look like their daily routine. Changing your circle is only step one. If you have the right people around you, but you are still using an outdated model to try to make money, you will still end up stuck. That is why you need to master the exact asymmetric wealth systems successful operators are using to generate scalable income right now, which is exactly what we are breaking down in the next video. Like and subscribe our channel, and we will explain the systems in the next video. Thanks for watching.